everybody, this is Geek Lab, and here's Amnesia again.
Alright, last time we left off, we had no clue what to do.
Yeah, we were searching for something, but I have no idea. Something, yes, maybe I could fashion something. Okay, yeah, that's
Pick
a
lock. We were trying to find something to pick the lock.
Maybe there's something hidden at a door. I don't really know.
In the fire!
Go by that door.
Are you Ranger?
Eh?
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm an Amnesia noob.
I forgot how to turn on the light.
I forgot how to Amnesia properly. I know.
So proud of you.
Smooth boxes. I don't feel like it.
But you have.
Is that a knife? Can I use this?
I don't think so. I think it's something you just.
No. I'm gonna try it.
Whatever.
I'm gonna throw it at the door.
Chuck it. Just chuck it.
You can't tell me what to do. It didn't work.
Nope. See if there's like a lever or something.
I was thinking it might have been like the lever we could do.
I don't know.
Can't throw a rock at it. We have to
Try it.
fashion a lock.
Yeah.
Of sorts. My strong, manly muscles.
I don't know. Maybe we can get back to you guys when we actually find it.
All right.
We wouldn't want to be here like wasting your time and stuff. So we'll be right back when we actually find something. Hey, we figured it out in like. I don't think you just like put it together. There you go. Metal shard. So that should fit in it, but who knows?
I did it!
Yay!
Yay for me! This guy's got cockroaches. Look at his brain.
That'd be horrible. Having cockroaches in your
Don't
brain.
put that in my mind. Just don't.
Cockroaches in brain.
No.
You're like, yay! It took us like 10 years.
No.
Oh god. No, close the door. No, wait.
At that crap.
I'm out. You know what? Alright, we're good. Nah, we're good. Somebody else is good. I think we're fine. Open it.
I hit myself.
Good job. We're fine. It's just a sound effect. You know, that doesn't sound like a sound.
What is that? Oh, Jesus!
That's a horrible place to hide. Get down. Oh god. Oh my god. Stop moving. Oh god. Just stop it. Just stop moving. We're gonna. Stop moving. Oh, no, it's still going. Oh, frick. Stop moving.
My brain is gonna fart. Look! I'm looking at light. Can I like not chill?
Yeah, can you not Netflix and chill?
No! What did you?
If you Netflix and chill with the monster, that'd be so disgusting. They make the grossest
Come
baby.
on!
Okay, I think it's gone. Just try it.
If I die, I'm gonna blame you.
It's awful.
I'm awful.
What? Oh god.
Oh my god, you! What?
I didn't know.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Stop moving!
Why would I ever reason to
Stop moving! Jeez.
I have every single reason to go backwards.
Yes, and avoid getting ripped to freaking shreds.
Yeah.
Why is it just standing there?
Is it just like, nope, can't go this way?
Yeah, can't go this way. You're gonna be stuck there for literally like 5 minutes. Is it gone yet? Please.
Wait.
We stayed for like 3 minutes.
I don't care.
You're just gonna go. You're just gonna go, right? Oh my god. I think he's just gonna stand there. Is that
Is it a pooper? Is it a pooper?
It better be a pooper.
Oh, die. Oh, die. Oh, die.
Just sneak. Or you can look around corners. Remember, it's like W or something, or Q. You see it? You got scared by a rock?
Yes.
It's gone?
No freaking idea. He's gone. He's gone.
Which way did he come from? It was that way.
Freaking idea.
No, Isaac, just go there. He's gone, I'm pretty sure. I mean, we can't stand there the whole time.
You have no idea how scared I am.
You have no idea how scared I was. I screamed at the top of my lungs.
I know. I know.
Okay, well, I don't know how
What
to
is this?
move it. You can only move it like sideways or something. Oh, hey, there's gotta be some under. Nah, I
Oh
don't
my
think
god, I am like literally going to. I'm not literally gonna puke, but like I feel like I'm gonna puke.
so. Yeah, my stomach is just so weird feeling.
You don't even.
Okay, I think it's gone. I think it's just sound effects. But check through the window. A little. I think it's gone. We gotta do this. We're just gonna. It sounds way closer.
I know.
We went that way already. Oh god. Oh, I bet we have to find the water mountain in there.
God dang it! I hate that.
Dude, that one's literally one of the scariest because it's invisible and it just.
Did someone kill themselves here or something?
Dude, I have to admit, this is like the best custom story I've played already. I know, it's really good.
Best one I've played in a while.
Even though it's our first one.
Oh god! Go away!
You can keep playing. Oh my god.
Oh my god! He's in that room! He's like there! Like, what are we doing here? What am I doing?
Oh, it's that room. Yeah.
This?
Oh, it's this. It's when you first open that door. God, my throat hurts from screaming.
I know.
I bet you're gonna have to run from the monster again. Run! He's there. He's
Is he
there.
this way?
Yes, he's there.
I don't know!
So stupid.
I don't know!
You're so stupid.
I'm so stupid! Ah! He's there! Please. We'll try and hide.
You gonna get
here?
Stop
Look
moving.
away.
Just stop moving. Did you see
Look
him?
away.
There he is. Oh my god.
Is that him?
Yes. I think that's him. No, wait. I don't think that's him. No, it's not him. Oh my god. My throat really hurts.
No.
That sounds kind of like a weird reference, but
Oh my gosh. Everybody who's watching this is gonna laugh at. No, 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 no. Oh my god!
alright, I think we should end this. So, this could be like a short video.
I am so sorry. We just like.
I'm so sorry, guys. We're
I'm
gonna
gonna
have to.
rage quit. Like.
Yeah, this is.
I'm gonna end this episode here.
Just kidding.
See you in the next episode.
See you later.
Bye-bye.